Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Teigen and Marianne Nails XXL6. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is Teigen by Zoya. I know it's not really a summer polish, but I don't care. I wear what I want whenever. So here we go with our first coat. And it's kind of a little squishy. A little jelly metallic going on, or flecks or something. I don't know. It's pretty though. Kind of like a cranberry color. More of a fall shade, I would imagine. See, y'all, I do get messy too. Way messy. So, hi, Woody. How you doing? That's why Woody has to stick around, because Mom's always making messes. And we're going to go on and add a second coat of Teigen. I like the shimmer in this, though. I don't know, like gold flecks or whatever that's jumping out of there. Makes it shazam. I am going to top this with INM out the door. And we're going to get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. There we go. Lovely. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And this is Marianne Nails XXL6. And this was designed in France. And they've got like a date on here. It's like 2014 to 2018. I don't know if that was when it was produced or what. I don't know. I'll be using Shut Out by Bases Loaded Lacquer, my Maniology stamper, and my Beauty scraper today. So I'm just going to use a lot of these swirly twirly images here in the middle. This plate is massive. This is the biggest thing I've ever seen as far as stamping plates go. There's just a lot of really cool stuff on it. Of course, it does make storing it interesting because it doesn't fit in any of the books or anything. I am going to hop in with a piece of tape for all of these and clean off the excess off my skin. I'm not going to bother cleaning the plate until I'm done. Like I said, I'm just going to use a bunch of these swirly twirly images. Kind of thing I love. Get that one turned around and figure out how I want to put it. There we go. That'll work. So there we have it. I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller. And I'm just going to keep popping along here. I love this plate though. This is one that my friend Miss Becky sent me. And it's so fun. It's like, wow. All kinds of cool images. Just going crazy with it. There we go. Had to give that one more than one scrape. I love this. My kind of thing. Y'all know I love the swirly twirlies. Now I'm cleaning this plate with pure acetone. And as I wipe over it, I wipe behind with a paper towel just to get any smudges and frostiness off of it. Put it away clean. And then here we go with some more tape cleanup here. There's not much to clean up really, and it's coming up real nice and easy. There we go. Get it all cleaned up. And I am going to break out my acetone and my little cleanup brush and just finish up that very, very minor cleanup here. And I really did like that about this one. Gonna move that dampen dish out of my way so I don't knock it over. Y'all seen me do that before, more than once. Alright, gotta get up by that cuticle real well. And there we go. Awesome. So there it is. I'm gonna top it all with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that's dry, I'm going to be using Sèche Vite as my final top coat today. Gonna seal this one in. Oh, that's so pretty. So there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.